Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making video on sausage roll, how to make sausage roll. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Check for the ingredients in the description box below. And first you need to filter your flour. Add your baking powder, add salt and mix. Then add your margarine or butter. Mix also. Then put in 1 egg and mix again. Add 1/3 cup of water and mix to form a dough. Then this is what we have now. Wrap and place in your refrigerator for 1 hour. For our filling, we need minced meat, breadcrumbs, thyme, bell pepper or paprika pepper, nutmeg, salt, and garlic oil. Mix well. Add your onions and chop parsley leaves. Mix. And then set aside. Bring out your dough from the refrigerator and knead. Knead the dough well. Cut in halves. Then roll out the dough. You can sprinkle some flour on it for easy rolling out. This is what we have now. Then add your fillings. Use your hand to mold it. Then cut out excess dough. Roll over. Apply egg to the edges. This is to help the sausage roll seal properly so that in the oven it won't come out open. Then cut to your desired sizes. Repeat the same process for the rest dough and the rest filling. Subscribe to my channel, share this video and like it, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Roll out and cut. This is what we have now. Mix water to egg and apply generously on each roll. This will help it give this shining gold brown color when it's already baked. Put it in oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now it is okay yet. This is what we have now, and good. I decided to open it and see how good it is inside. Thanks for watching. It's easy way of making your sausage roll and it tastes very good. Bye.